In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Supabase MCP to Claude Code. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Supabase connected as an MCP server inside Claude Code, and you'll know how to verify that the connection is active using the terminal. We'll keep things clear and straightforward, and I'll add helpful context along the way without introducing any extra steps. Start by opening your Claude Code app. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're on the main workspace screen where you can access settings and integrations. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to be on a recent version so the connector's experience looks and behaves as expected. Next, look for the Customize area. Depending on your layout, this could appear as a Customize button or a settings gear that leads to customization options. Click into it to open the panel where you can manage how Claude Code works with other tools. Within Customize, find and select Connectors. Connectors are how Claude Code securely links with external services, and in this case, we'll be adding Supabase as a Model Context Protocol server so Claude can talk to it when needed. Inside the Connectors section, look for a plus icon. Click the plus icon, then choose Browse Connectors. This opens the directory of available integrations. In the search field, type Supabase. You should see the Supabase connector appear in the results. Go ahead and click on Supabase to open its details, then click Connect. This begins the secure link between Claude Code and your Supabase account through MCP. At this point, you'll be asked to authorize access. An authorization window or browser tab will prompt you to allow Claude Code to connect to Supabase. Review the prompts so you understand what's being requested. This is a standard permission step to let Claude use the MCP connection to interact with Supabase on your behalf. When you're ready, click Allow or Authorize. After approval, return to the Claude Code app and you should see that the Supabase connector shows as connected. This might appear as a status indicator, a connected label, or a toggle showing the active state. If the interface confirms that Supabase is connected, the setup on the app side is complete. Now let's verify the connection from the terminal so you can be confident everything is working. Open the terminal on your computer. On Mac OS or Linux, that's typically the terminal app. On Windows, Command Prompt or PowerShell works. In the terminal, type Claude and press Enter to start the Claude command line. When the prompt is ready, type #MCP and press Enter. This command lists all MCP servers currently available to Claude. You should see a list that includes any servers you've connected. If Supabase appears in that list, the connection is active and recognized by Claude. If you don't see Supabase in the list, return to the connector screen in the app and confirm that the connector shows as connected. Sometimes simply toggling the connector off and back on or reauthorizing resolves discovery issues. Also, make sure your terminal session has access to the same profile or environment where Claude is configured. Once you've confirmed the connector and run MCP again, Supabase should appear. That's all there is to it. You opened Claude Code, went into Customize, selected Connectors, used the plus icon to browse, searched for Supabase, connected it, authorized access, and then verified the connection from the terminal by running Claude and using the MCP command. With this setup in place, Claude Code can use Supabase through MCP where supported, giving you a smooth integrated workflow. If you ever need to disconnect or reconnect, you can manage that from the same connector screen and repeat the verification step to confirm everything is live. Thanks for following along and enjoy your newly connected Supabase MCP inside Claude Code.